Hey guys, this is Danielle and welcome back. So today I'm here to share a special announcement. But before I do so, I'm gonna do like how, you know, when you're watching your favorite shows and they're about to get into that part that you've been waiting for so long and they take a break. Hey guys, this is Danielle with The Best Life and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified on new videos. Smooches. Alright guys, so hey, welcome back. Now without further ado, I am not gonna sit here and talk for 2 minutes and 3 minutes before I get to that big announcement. I know you just you're probably thinking like, what is she about to share? So without further ado, let me get my drum rolling. Well, I guess I don't really have drums to roll, but you know what I was trying to say. Well, here's my big announcement. That's right. I'm so excited, guys. I better do a redo on that for those of you who probably took a snack break. Here we go. I'm kind of feeling the way Beyonce felt when she made her big announcement. You know, when she went, definitely you can expect more updates to come along with this. So yeah, I will share more information as the weeks progress. But today I just felt it, I just had that urgent need to share my big announcement. And I'm so thrilled. We are doing well, baby's doing well, I'm doing well, my family is excited. I just ask that you continue to pray for us. Continue to pray for a healthy baby, a safe delivery in July, and I'm just so very, very excited. Well, that's it for today, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, guys, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah! Smooches until next time.